Good morning to all. Yes, this is a 2026. We are starting first page that laptop. Before last year, we are going to successfully 60 students from the Manal Foundation. So first of all, I thank to last year. They done very good from our end success, but I don't know about your feedback we can get from your end. So first of all, thank to Manal Foundation giving opportunity for us.
I think I met all of you when we started the course. Okay, so how are you all feeling? Good, good. So you learned something during the past 6 weeks. You are very confident. I can trust and give my laptop for service to you. You can repair it at a cheap level. Okay. So when it's working now, if there's a problem, I'll approach. Okay. Today, I'm happy to see this smiling face. When we started the course, some of you were not too sure because the first time you are coming to learn a skill. So knowing MRM, they've done last year 6 cohort with the mix of laptop repair, mobile repair, and photocopier repair. So looking at the feedback from the course participants like all of you, and so we felt that the relationship with MRM should continue for this year and support more and more of students or beneficiaries like you who are really interested and wanted to learn and make a decent livelihood career out of this skilling, and that's our focus. We don't really look at somebody with a good opportunity. They all will find something, but this segment where you wanted to learn and quickly that skill you want to utilize for earning something, and that's where that will support this year laptop repair and mobile repair. Total 8 cohorts we have given for Dharmapuri center and the Bangalore center. So you're the first cohort going to be certified soon, and it's very important now how you can utilize the skill and start converting that skill into money and the decent livelihood. So if you look at without the laptop or tablet, nothing moves in Bangalore, right? So it's an IT hub and industry. So everyone either personally or some co-working space or at office, desktop or laptop. So without so the screen time what we spend either in mobile or in laptop. So we practically spend a lot of screen time every day. So when there is a more screen time and the more the devices get to repair or damage or service, this is where you all come in. It's an opportunity for you to provide a service. Provide a service at a reasonable cost. When you go, don't aspire to be a rich overnight. When you start building your own brand, so they can trust you. So if I can invite this technician, he will do a quality job at a reasonable cost. First, you need to build the name for yourself and apply this learning into the skill. Look at the opportunity where a small company you can sign maybe an annual maintenance contract. Or if there is a home-based user, put out the opportunity that I'm available on call to come and do a service at your home. Either you can set up your own center, you can do this repairing, or possibly you can put out an advertisement that if anyone working from home, your laptop is getting into problem, I can come and do a service at your home. Look at different options, and then also continue to learn and improve your skill because the device is evolving and the new capacity machines started coming in laptop or whatever. Don't limit with one particular. Like if you want to do a MacBook servicing, always it's a premium. Or if you are doing certain gaming laptops, they're very expensive. Like we all use particular laptop. My colleague Malavika uses double of that cost. If something happens to her laptop, probably it's a premium repair service. So you look at it, there's a normal laptop, there's a MacBook, there's a gaming. So you need to find how you can build those. And somebody rich afford to pay more, then you can take more. Okay. So you devise your strategy accordingly, whether it is independence, self-employment, or you want to go and join somewhere in the service center and further use your experience and subsequently put out your self-employment. And look at overall, but the skill what you have got is a base. And more importantly, you got a certificate. So government recognized if you go to SP Road, somebody doing the experience, they can do a good job, laptop repair. But the difference between them and you is that the certificate. You are a government certified technician. Okay, so if you want to go and set up your own center, laptop, service center, with this certificate you can approach a bank under Mudra loan scheme. You can negotiate. Now I'm a government certified trainer, or I have the skill. So give me your collateral free 3 lakh or 4 lakh to set up. But other person will not be able to secure that loan because they don't have any government certificate. So this is where this particular course is very important and really very helpful. You are now henceforth you are a certified skilled laptop technician, and with that you can now think through how you can able to convert that skill and certificate into money. Okay, and continue to learn while you practice. That is one thing, and to keep certain money flowing into you, but keep learning. The new technologies keep coming, and you keep upgrading yourself to next level. I'm sure you will all do really well and want this. So at this point of time, I also wanted to take, since Saravanan mentioned about Paramesh, right? Paraslam. So where he has been 100% attendance.
Yes, yes.
So okay, so
before PG,
yeah.
after 1 month, we are doing the free accommodation.
Okay, very good. Yeah. So we also told Saravanan to identify every cohort one star performer with 100% attendance and who has really done very well, and we will do additional reward for you. We are going to pay you equivalent of 10,000 rupees some gift to you. Okay, and that is Saravanan will organize. We will not be directly able to pay anything to you. We'll make up to 10,000 equivalent, whatever you want to give a gift or toolkit.
We want this meta.
Okay, so yes, so let us recognize this presence. So those who are coming the next batch, it's a motivation for you. Okay, those who are all joining the batch and coming, and there is a reward on the day of certification. Those who do well, so here is the evidence. Okay, proof. So that Saravanan will do that. We will pay for Saravanan whatever that we can. So because it's such a small motivation for you to really make this opportunity to the fullest potential. Okay, not all of them, but we also wanted to thank Saravanan. Somebody like the individually joining the courses, they pay very high fee, and Saravanan kind enough to give us a special rate for you. So that's, while we pay for all of you, that's one thing, but he's also not charging like what he is charging for the other students. So he's also contributing in such a way that from his side he reduced significantly the fee structure. So therefore, we are collectively trying to make a positive difference, positive impact to all of you. So with that scale, so if you all do well, and down the line, so you make good money, well, happy, quality life, and that's the best thing you can do for you and us. So we can tell, okay, so we also played a small role in your success. Okay, wish you all the very best.
ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ತುಂಬ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಈಗ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಟ್ರೈನರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ತುಂಬ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಒಂದು ಗುರಿ ನಮಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತುಂಬ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
All the best, and please do celebrate small wins. This is, the fact that everyone has completed this course and like these smiling faces, this itself is a big win for all of you. So please look at this as a win, and you're only going to go on top from here. So all the best, and yeah, thank you.
ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದು ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಸರ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ರೀಸನಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದು ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ನೀವು ಇದು ಕಲ್ತಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಗೆ ನೀವು ಇದು ಅಂತ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಎಂಪವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಗೆ ನೀವು ಮುಂದೆ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ನಿಮ್ದು ವಿಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಬೇಕು. ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಲೆಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಂಟಿಲ್ ಯು ಕಮ್ ಟು ನೋ. ನಿಮ್ದು ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಮೂಲಕನೇ ಯು ಆರ್ ಅ ಸರ್ಟಿಫೈಡ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದು ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಮುಗಿಸಿದ್ದೀರಂತ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೂ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮುಂದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ನೀವು ಅರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಏನು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ರಿಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ, ಅದ್ರದ್ದೇ ಒಂದು ರಿಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಏನೇ ಇದ್ರು ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ ಸರ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಇನ್ ಟಚ್ ವಿತ್ ದೆನ್. ಈವನ್ ದ ಮನಾಲ್ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಟೀಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಟೈಮ್. ಏನೇ ಇದ್ರು ಇದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಿನ ಅದು ಮರಿಬಾರ್ದು. ಹೇಗೆ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಟಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರ, ಕಲಿತಾನೇ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಇದೆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ, ಏನು ನಾವು ತಿಂದಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ನೆನಪಿರಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ದಟ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಮರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಮಂತಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಏನದು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅದನ್ನ ತುಂಬಾ ನೆನಪಿಂದ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಅದು ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರೋ ಆ ಥರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಯುಟಿಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರೋ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿಯಿಂದ ತುಂಬಾ ಒಂದು ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಶ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್.